Hi, I'm Suikou Miura. Today I will introduce summer-like kanji. This means cool. It's read as suzushi and ryo in Japanese. The temperature is very hot in July and August in Japan. I feel that the temperature in summer is increasing every year. How do you spend your time when the temperature is hot? My children played in the pool in their garden, and I went to go see a firework together with my husband. I also spend most of my time doing Japanese calligraphy at home. Doing Japanese calligraphy is my happiness. Have a great day, everyone. See you later. Bye.